historical point of view and from the account of people living in the municipality of Santa Maria, Santa Maria was already the name which was founded on January 10, 1855. There was a history which has been recorded that the former name is Barrio de Pila, and that was maybe before 1855. But when I made research on the veracity of the account done during that time, it is not a barangay of Tayug. I made research on this and I found out that it is Santa Maria itself. And the name of our town has been taken from the name of the Virgin Mary, which happened that a certain missionary came to this place, and because it was the feast day of the Virgin Mary, he called it Santa Maria. So that's the name. Word de Pila, which has been annexed to our town, it is only a matter of distinguishing and to highlight the unique identity of our municipality, which has been a language of every Santa Marian before, because of the fact that there are too many towns whose name is Santa Maria. So what is the most significant event that took place in our municipality? I think it is date of that is on the year 1907, when Santa Maria regained its independence from local governance, because it has been merged with the municipality of Tayug, and through a special law of returning back those smaller municipalities has been merged with bigger municipalities, so that in order that they would have governance of themselves, the area of local administration, so that Santa Maria now is geared towards progress and development as it is independent on its own already.
Let's